Okay, how's everyone doing? Gonna do a quick video showing how I set my machine up when I pull the windrow in, and just generally how I set my machine up here. So the windrow is on this side of the road. What I first start out doing is I want that windrow to be on center line and just across. So the way I line up my machine is I put this right front tire on the crown or just about to the crown depending on your road width, and I use that to drive straight going down the road, because ideally your crown should never change if you're driving straight. So this wheel's never gonna lie to you. Got my dozer blade up front here. How I position my moldboard, I try to keep it at a 45-degree angle as the circle rotate, and then I run with the this brace of the moldboard about straight up and down as in transition to the road here. That's the main thing. And then on your wheel tracks, you come back here, I'll have where I pulled in, and then on my center line, and when I come back, this wheel track will overlap. Okay, so now I'm blading the windrow off here, and I'll show you guys how I set my machine up to do that. So how I go about it is so this is my pull-in track. I got my windrow on top of the crown and just across. I have this wheel track here on the shoulder, and then when I blade off, this is what I meant by these two tracks will overlap. So you see that tire is actually running on this existing wheel track right here. So you come back here, we're looking for that roof peak in the road. So if you walk back here, you'll see my center line here to the shoulder, and then across over to the maintenance windrow. So now I got my maintenance windrow here. How I set my moldboard up is I actually roll it all the way ahead and then roll it just a little bit back, and the reason I do that is how I tell people is it's like putting butter on a slice of toast. You obviously aren't going to have your blade rolled all the way back, so you would want to take and roll it ahead so they can get that smooth finish action to take and smear that gravel on top. So that's kind of how I set my moldboard up on this, on the finish pass on blading the windrow off. I got my maintenance windrow on the edge. Nothing extremely heavy, but enough material to roll back and forth across the road to get the wheel track out and keep a good shape on the road. And then as far as driving straight, what I do here is I'll take you up in the machine. So as I get my machine here, I'll show you guys what I line up with. So if you look forward here, you can see my main frame. I take and put like the right corner of my main frame or that light bracket or whatever it is, just pick something on your machine and line it up with the windrow, and then just drive to your next straightest point. That's how you keep a nice straight road. So obviously the straighter you drive blading it off, the easier it's going to be next time pulling it in, because you're not going to have any crooks in the windrow. And once you get that center line straight, you'll have a good road. But with that, that's kind of the basic how I take and set my machine up for gravel road maintenance. If anybody's got any questions, put them down in the comments. Would like to have everybody like the video and subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.